How to recover SafePal wallet using mnemonic phrase. Are you guys facing issues to recover SafePal wallet using mnemonic phrase? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To recover SafePal wallet, open the SafePal app and tap on Software Wallet. Then select Import Wallet. Choose the option mnemonic phrase or seed phrase. Carefully enter your 12 or 24-word mnemonic phrase in the correct order, making sure there are no spelling mistakes or extra spaces. After entering the phrase, set a new wallet name and create a strong password to secure it. Tap confirm and your wallet with all its assets will be restored. Always keep your mnemonic phrase private and never share it with anyone to protect your crypto assets. And that's it, guys. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.